Hi, my name is Brontez Purnell. I was talking to some friends about how I'm a black man from Alabama and I've never fried chicken in my entire life. So I decided tonight is the night that we're gonna do it. Right now what we have is there was 2 whole chickens and I butchered them myself. And I soaked them in pepperoncini and pickle brine for a couple of days. And I switched it over to buttermilk. And now we're preparing the seasonings for the flour. So I have fennel, mace, paprika, smoked paprika, poultry seasoning, and I'm gonna put a little garlic salt because that's how I like to do it. I originally was just gonna use Lowry's seasoning salt because that's like, I don't know, that's what I remember people using, but that also probably is what contributed to my astronomically high blood pressure. So I think I'm just gonna sit this one out. But yeah, people think that I grew up like with just like amazing Southern cuisine all the time, but actually my mom worked a lot. And so she didn't give a about cooking because she was a modern goddamn woman. My grandmother had 10 kids and she basically cooked for an army all the time. I just remember like cornbread and beans on the stove and everyone coming to get it. Like, I just feel like it was like English food. It wasn't people's imagination about Southern cooking, I think, is a little overbloated, but today I'm gonna get this much going and we're gonna see how it goes. I'm just mixing the ingredients together. I'm mixing the flour and the seasonings together and I'm about to start.
How much flour did you use?
I use 6 cups of flour.
Seems good. I would say we'll just do it in 2 batches, so just do 5 pieces, do 10 pieces now, and we'll put 5 pieces in for each of these.
Okay, I got a bunch of canola oil, and I think we're just gonna pour it in and then put this shit on medium heat until it reaches 300.
You definitely want to put it on hot, not medium.
Wait,
to heat up.
But isn't all fire hot? What do you, like?
No, high.
Oh, like, okay, this motherfucker is the actual chef, so, like.
I'm a natural chef.
I just love a handsome white man telling me what to do or holding my hand while I do something. So really, it's kind of about my vanity right now. So this is high as hell. I dusted this dusted. Dusty. We have my beautiful wife, Sophia, here. What are you making?
I'm making some greens. I'm making some red Russian kale and some dino kale with garlic and breads and a little white wine vinegar.
Okay, cool. So like by dino kale, do you mean of relating to dinosaurs?
Yeah, kind of like the scaly leaves.
Ow! Today I'm a man. Today I'm a man. Fried chicken is my gender. Why waste your time when you know you're gonna be mine? Okay, guys, here we go. This is the first chicken I've ever done. We're gonna start to take it out. It's looking golden. You see the little flecks of fennel in it. It's great. You hear that? Don't overcook the white meat. It's more sensitive. So. Okay, so I'm slicing this in squares because I saw a dude on the internet do it. And then we have a plate of pickles and my lemons. Yeah, okay. I'm at 3, 2, 1 it. 3, 2, 1. That's right. It's done. We did it, yeah! It tastes like fried chicken. Oh, yeah, I might put these legs back because they're right as Oh! Thank you for watching Cooking with Brontez. Subscribe to KQED Food to watch more videos. Please! Please! Baby, please!